We are in Kochi, India, which is located in the south of India, in Kerala. We are in the area called Fort Kochi, which is a very popular place to visit. If you like beaches, good food, lots of friendly locals, and beautiful natural surroundings, then Kochi is a great place to start your journey in India. Okay, so we went here to get breakfast. It's called Lucky Star Hotel. It's close by. And we got some appam and veggie korma. Mine is a little spicy. Sophie says hers isn't spicy at all. And how about yours, Julia?
Mine's tiny bit spicy, but this is good. So good.
This is paratha, and it's like soft bread. And then, let's see. Oh, we also got masala tea and cardamom tea, which are very good. And the breakfast combo, like for just this, is what, 70 or 80?
Going to Dutch Palace.
We took an auto rickshaw across Fort Kochi for about 60 rupees, and it's a fun way to see the city.
This is the synagogue of Jewtown in Kochi. It's one of the famous parts of the city where people come. We're gonna go check it out, but it looks like there's no photography or video.
Here you will notice that there are many Portuguese influences. On the east side of the peninsula are sites such as the old Jewish synagogue and the Matancherry Palace, which happened to be closed when we visited.
Found an old playground near the fort. Not very popular, a bit overgrown.
Going over things that we've been spending so far. So, I bought my bag. We got this cute little umbrella for Seffi. Hi! We had breakfast and we took a tuk-tuk today. That was fun. And we went to the synagogue. It was 200 rupees. Seffi's umbrella was 200 rupees. Breakfast and water were 385 rupees. We used 60 rupees for the tuk-tuk, and the synagogue was 10 rupees each for you.
Basilica de Santa Cruz is located in the center of Fort Kochi, close to the fishing nets, and is a quiet place that is worth checking out. Because people come here to worship, this church is not open for viewing during regular church services. Fishing is still very popular in Fort Kochi as far as the economy. And as you can see, there's some old-style Chinese fishing nets that have been used for quite some time now. You can see this as you walk through the main part of Fort Kochi on the northwestern side of the peninsula. You may see people getting in boats, going out to fish, and people actually using the nets and selling the fish that they catch right along the shore.
This evening we visited the KATHAKALI Cultural Center where we took in a traditional classical Indian dance. We enjoyed it very much. On the west side of Fort Kochi is a small beach where the locals enjoy coming to watch the sunset. You can buy all sorts of snacks on the beach from vendors. I recommend the kulfi, which is an Indian-style ice cream. There are no vendors selling plastic containers on the beach due to a recent ban. Hopefully this will improve the environmental area around the sea. We enjoyed our trip to Fort Kochi, India, and hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And continue to follow us as we have more adventures in India.